I mounted an e-bike rack on my Tesla Model 3, and here's how I did it. I've always wanted to take my e-bike to the beach and also on trails, so I found a e-trailer that cost about $300. I installed it myself with the help of my friend. The install took about 3 hours, and installing the hitch was probably the hardest thing you have to do for this process. I followed the YouTube video and it turned out all right. Next, I bought an e-bike rack off Amazon. This one's also about $260. It came in a lot of pieces. This one was a quicker install. It took a total of about 25 minutes. The instructions are fairly easy to follow. It does come with tools to install, but I used my own tools, which was a lot faster in my opinion. This bike rack holds maybe 140 pounds, I believe, and my bike is around 75 to 80. This is my Super 73 clone that I got off AliExpress for about $1,200. So when you do have the e-bike rack, you can see your rear parking sensors are always on and that it will beep at you and give you warning signs. You can see the bike on the back of the camera to make sure it's still there in case of any accidents. I brought my e-bike out to Huntington Beach. It was a blast. I love my e-bike because it's quiet, more discreet, and you could take it off-road. You can see I'm going in and out of these palm trees, and overall, it's a great time. I hope this helped you.